Rivers of milk and honey. The honey frost fell in enormous quantities. The Haggidic literature says that the quantity which fell every day would have sufficed to nourish the people for 2,000 years. All the peoples of the east and the west could see it. A few hours after the break of day, the heat under the cloud cover liquefied the grains and volatilized them. The ground absorbs some of the liquefied mass as it absorbs dew. The grains also fell upon the water, and the rivers became milky in appearance. The Egyptians relate that the Nile flowed for a time blended with honey. The strange appearance of the rivers of Palestine in the desert the Israelites saw no river caused the scouts who returned from a survey of the land to call it the land that floweth with milk and honey. Numbers 13:27. The heavens rain oil, the waters run with honey, says a text found in Ras Shamra Ugrit in Syria. In the rabbinical literature, it is said that melting of manna forms streams that furnish drink to many deer and other animals. The Atharava Veda hymns said that honey lash came down from fire and wind. Ambrosia fell, and streams of honey flowed upon the earth. The broad earth shall milk for us precious honey, shall pour out milk for us in rich streams. The Finnish tradition narrates that land and water were covered successfully by black, red, and white milk. The first and second were the colors of the substances, ash and blood, that constituted the plagues, Exodus 7 and 9. The last one was the color of ambrosia that turned into nectar on land and water. A memory of a time when streams of milk and streams of sweet nectar flowed is also preserved in Ovid. All right.